Hey travelers, big news is shaking up the way we fly. And if you're the type who scrambles to find your boarding pass 5 minutes before boarding, good news. You might not need one for much longer. That's right, traditional check-ins and physical or even digital boarding passes are on their way out, thanks to a major tech upgrade hitting airports around the world. So what's replacing them? Facial recognition and biometric technology. Today, we're breaking down what this all means, how it works, and what it means for your future flights. And don't worry, I'll drop the full article from MSN Travel in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. So here's the deal. Airports are starting to scrap traditional check-ins and boarding passes in favor of biometric identification systems, primarily facial recognition. What that means for you. Instead of presenting your ID and scanning a boarding pass at every checkpoint, your face becomes your pass. This isn't science fiction. It's already in use in many places. International travelers may have already experienced a taste of this. Some airlines and airports are taking photos of passengers as they board, verifying their identity with U.S. Customs and Border Protection systems. This tech helps streamline customs and immigration, reducing wait times and eliminating manual checks. And for those of you in the Global Entry program, this will sound familiar. Facial recognition is already being used to verify your identity instantly at kiosks when re-entering the United States, making customs clearance faster than ever. Here's how this works from start to finish. When you check in for a flight, either online or at the airport, you can opt to register your biometric data. Once your face is linked to your travel documents, facial recognition cameras at key points, check-in, security, bag drop, and the boarding gate will verify your identity automatically. No need to show your passport, no need to fumble with paper or even a digital boarding pass. It's all about frictionless travel. Why the big shift? Well, there are a few reasons. Speed and efficiency. These systems significantly reduce bottlenecks at check-in and boarding. Security. Matching a face to official government records makes identity fraud much harder. Post-COVID, touchless travel. The pandemic taught the travel industry the value of contactless everything, and this is a natural next step. Many airports in the United States, the United Kingdom, Europe, and Asia are investing heavily in this technology. Some airlines like Delta and British Airways have already tested fully biometric boarding in select terminals. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, privacy. Biometric data is sensitive, and travelers are right to ask, where is this data stored? Who can access it? How long is it kept? Airports and airlines insist that the systems are secure and comply with global privacy laws, and in many cases, passengers must opt in. But privacy experts are watching closely, and travelers should stay informed about their rights. If you're unsure, always ask, can I opt out? Is my data deleted after the flight? Who manages the system, the airline, the airport, or a third party? So what's the timeline here? Well, this shift is already happening, and it's accelerating fast. By 2030, it's likely that facial recognition will become the default experience for most major international airports, and boarding passes might become as obsolete as floppy disks. The goal is to make your journey from curb to gate as seamless as possible, while still keeping security airtight. So, are you ready to say goodbye to your boarding pass and hello to your face as your ticket? Or are you concerned about handing over your biometric data just to catch a flight? Let's chat. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to read the full MSN article that provided source material for this video, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on peaceful travel. Safe travels, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.